My name is Charlize.
And my name is Maike.
And our today's topic is tsunami. But what actually is a tsunami? That's what we will clarify today. We will also talk about what a seaquake is and what had happened in Thailand 2004 and what happened in the end. And just in case you get attacked by a tsunami wave, we will also talk about some safeties and last but not least about some interesting facts.
Let's start with what a tsunami actually is. Tsunami is a Japanese word and translated it means harbor wave. A tsunami happens after spring tide. Now you are probably wondering what a spring tide is. Don't worry, I got you. A spring tide is a tide after a new or full moon when there is the greatest difference between high and low water. A harbor wave is caused by a seaquake, landslide or volcanic eruption, and it also can get a magnitude of at least 7. This monstrous wave can rise up to over 100 meters. That's 8 high-rise buildings on top of each other. Can you imagine that? Here you see a picture of how a tsunami works. At first there is an earthquake at the sea ground. Water masses are displaced and pushed upwards. The quake creates a suction, the sea level sinks, and the water pulls back from the coast. The waves below and the tidal waves flood low-lying areas.
Seaquake. What is that? A seaquake is a sudden disturbance of sea caused by a submarine eruption or an earthquake. Thailand 2004. In 2004, there was a big tsunami attack in Thailand. The seaquake called Sumatra Andam quake. This happened at the 26th December 2004 at 7:58 o'clock in Thailand, and this was the biggest tsunami ever. Sadly, 1.7 million people lost their home and thousands of people died. If you're more into this accident in 2004, there is actually a movie about it called The Impossible, and you can watch it on Netflix, but trigger warning, you will see open wounds, so if you can't really see blood, then it's not the right movie for you.
But what happened in the end? Sadly, 230,000 people had died because of the tsunami. It took them over 10 years to build up Thailand again because everything was destroyed. A bad thing is that Thailand didn't get any help from the insurance. And because of that, the whole tourism industry got destroyed.
Now we will talk about some safeties. Just in case you get attacked by a tsunami wave, which hopefully don't happen, do watch out for the following things. You should protect yourself from an earthquake and go up to higher ground. So when the wave attacks you, you're like higher than the wave and it can't reach you. And you're kind of safe. You should definitely watch out for some tsunami signs, which is shown in the picture in our presentation. And if you on a boat, evacuate yourself and go off sea. Facts.
Did you know that tsunamis mostly are 80% in the Pacific Ocean? To add, the first tsunami wave is mostly not that strong. The waves become bigger and stronger.
A tsunami wave can reach the speed of 500 miles. That's really fast. I can't imagine
Wow.
that. Yeah. And if you're wondering where you can go on holidays without having a big risk of a tsunami attack, you definitely don't go to Hawaii, Alaska, Washington, Oregon, or California because there is a big tsunami risk. And the craziest thing ever is that science expect a tsunami on the Mars. Like, what?
I really hope you enjoy our presentation, and when you have any questions, write us an email.
Thank you for listening. We are happy to see you in school again.